Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can simply use if else loop. As you can see, I have created an integer a and I'm going to write this code called as cout. I'm going to write cout enter your number so the user will see this code and its value will get stored in a. So I have to write this if loop now. If a remainder 2 is equals to 0. As you can see, if your number gets divided by 2 and you get the remainder 0, it will show me your number is even. Else it does not show 0, what it will show me is that my number is odd. So as you can see, I have created this else statement and I'm going to write cout your number is odd semicolon. As you can see, I have created this arrow in the bracket. Now as you can see, the code is very simple to understand and hope you find it helpful. As you can see, if I run it, it will show me enter your number, and if I write 10, it shows me your number is even. And now if I go and write an odd number, it will show me that my number is odd. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.